Where most humanoids face recharging downtime or a constant plug-in, UBTech's upcoming Walker S2 humanoid includes its own hot swapping ability with dual batteries. With 2 battery bays located in its back, the worker bot can access a facility-installed swap station once it starts to run low on charge. Twisting its torso, the bot uses tool attachments included at the end of the arm to install a fresh battery while returning the used one. Although early demonstrations have shown the Walker S2 with battery swapping attachments only, a production version will presumably include a workaround. The bot's arm will likely include both the tool and a gripper, hand, or whatever appendage needed to get the tasks facility-wide accomplished. As the robot's only downtime comes from the minutes taken swapping batteries at the nearest swap station, the Walker has the ability to run continuously. The health of batteries at the swap station can be monitored to ensure each works properly with the correct charging capacity. As for design, UBTech has not unveiled much to the public, but if predating robots are anything similar, the bot should stand at about 5.5 feet tall. But a full product unveiling should shine further light on pricing, specs, and availability.